Hi guys, now we are going to see the topic about the Pragma pack. See, already we had seen about the Pragma directive. See, what is Pragma? This is the preprocessor directive. See, by help of this Pragma pack, we can align the structure members memory. See, for example, in previous class we had seen about the how the structure members were allocated in the memory. See, for example, if you are creating a structure, see, this structure name is S. Suppose it is allocating the memory for the structure members. For example, let us take 32-bit machine. Here it will allocate 44 byte. This will align in 44 byte the structure members. See here, first see, for integer, integer variable 4 byte, character variable 1 byte. So here this is remaining empty byte here. Here for C integer 4 byte. So previous class we had seen about padding. See here, this is known as padding. See, totally 3 variables. Variables are members, structure members. Here this B is the structure member. Here it occupies only 1 byte, remaining 3 byte were empty byte. So here this is known as padding, structure padding. So this is the empty byte. Suppose in case if we no need this empty space, so to prevent the memory wastage, here one concept, that is Pragma pack. This pack concept, it is used to remove the empty bytes. When the compiler allocating the memory to the members, it will allocate 44 byte. For each and every cycle it will allocate 4 byte, and after that this data will be placed. So for each and every alignment, here according to the boundary value it align. See here, for each and every cycle, for example this one integer A 4 byte, next one characters, here single one, next one integer data type. Here this alignment will be allocated to next to this block of memory. It will align the 4 byte and it will place the member C here. Suppose if you are using this Pragma pack, here this alignment will be, we can set our alignment. See here, for example, this and all 44 bytes. Suppose if you are aligning it in single byte, then this blank space can be removed. See, for example, first let us come to this one. Syntax of this Pragma pack is, first this simple, because preprocessor directive, each and every preprocessor directive start from this symbol. Next here Pragma, after that pack of 1. See here, as per syntax, here we can give number. See, according to this number, this alignment, that is for each and every cycle how many bytes it will take, that alignment will be formatted as per given in this pack number. See, by default here it takes 44 byte. Suppose here in this number can be 1, that is 1 byte. For each and every cycle it will take 1 byte. Second one 2 byte. Next 4 byte. 8 and 16. This number can be within any one of these number. Here we mainly used 1, 2 and 4. Here for example, let us take this one. Suppose if I am using pack of 1 byte, so that here let us take the same one. This is known as padding, structure padding. Here suppose if I am using pack of 1, that is for each and every cycle it will read 1 byte. So here before creating the structure, if I am using this preprocessor directive pragma, next after that pack of 1, that is, see, already you had studied about the preprocessor directive pragma. See what purpose this pragma directive were used in the preprocessor. Here it is used to change the some features. We can set that features on or off. That means for each and every cycle here 4 byte were allocated for the structure member. Now I have changed that default it to pack of 1 byte. So here for each and every time, for each and every circle it will read 1 byte. So see here, suppose if the same structure here after creating this pragma pack of 1, here this cycle for each and every time it will take 1 byte. See here, this is integer a. So here how much for this 4 byte? So here a of, this is the a, here a of first byte, here a of second byte, here a of third byte, next a of fourth byte, next continuously another 1 byte, because pack of 1, this alignment will be for each and every time it will read 1 byte. Here next here character b, so here b, this is b of 1, next here integer c. See here for each and every time it will align 1 byte only. See here next c, here c of 1, c is what data type? Integer data type. So here it will allocate up to 4, 2, 3 and 4 byte. C of 1, C of 2, C of 3 and C of 4 byte. See, this byte were splitted here for each and every time it will split 1 by 1. So here there will be no padding. For each and every memory it has the unique address. See, for example here this is a, see here 4 byte. See, let us assume this one here some address. See here it will be in 6 digits like that. For your understanding I am telling here, let us assume this one as 100. Next here for this a, how many address for the first cycle it will take? From 100 to 103. So here this next cycle it will start from 104. See, so this address, see here 101, 100, 101, 102 and 103. So each and every block it has the unique address. See here b starts from 104, next here 105, 106 and 107. Next here 108, from 108 to 111. So here see this address a, it has the 4 byte, Next B, it has 1 remaining here 105 to 107. This is known as the padding. See here, suppose if you are using pack 1, see for each and every cycle it will read one byte only. See first byte, see it will check A, how much it is integer value. So here it will split that into A of 1, A of 2, A of 3 and A of 4. Here each and every address, for example, let us take this one here. If it start from 200, next to 201, 202, 203. From 200 to 203, this block, this specifies the variable A, that is member A. Next you see here, see here B, here it contains only 1 byte, so 204, it will store in 204. Next it will see here the C also integer data type, so it will, this data, it is 4 byte, so it is split into 4 byte. So here C of 1, C of 2, C of 3, this will be 205, 206, 207 up to 208. See, in this way here address created. As it is the single byte, here this empty byte will not be here, because here we are using the single byte only. So here by using this pack 1 we can avoid the padding. Instead of 1, here suppose if I am using 2, then pragma pack of 2. See here, what is this one? Pack 2. So here in the program, suppose if you are, instead of this pack 1, if you are mentioning here it as pack 2, for this structure I am telling, for this structure. Here in this pragma pack, this will instruct the compiler. See this pragma pack, this will tell that instruct the compiler. Already you know this pragma is the preprocessor directive. Already you have studied in the preprocessor directive. When this preprocessor directive will execute, see very first phase is the preprocessor directive. So in this phase here, before the compilation part, this preprocessor part will work. So before the compiling process, here by the preprocessor directive I am telling that to align the pack 2. So here when during the compilation time, here this preprocessor directive pragma pack, it will tell the compiler to pack the structure member. This is the structure member. To pack the structure member, in particular given alignment. See what is the given alignment? 2. So here for each and every cycle it will read 2 bytes. See before that here this pragma pack, what during the compilation time it tell the compiler to pack this structure member, each and every structure member with 1 byte. A, that member is splitted into 4. If it is character, no problem, single byte only. So here it will create, it will align the single byte. If it is more than 1 byte, then it will split that byte into by pack of 1. Here pack of 2, that means 2 for each and every cycle 2 byte. So here 2. To see for example, let us take this one integer A. So here A of 1, A of 2, A of 3, A of 4. Because A is the integer data type, so it occupies 4 byte. For this, for reading the data or fetching the data, it takes 2 cycles, because per cycle for 2 bytes. So here 1, 2, 3, 4. So these 2 memory blocks were aligned for A. Next here character B. What is this character? Character is the single byte. So this B is aligned here. What is the default size of character? 1 byte. So it occupies 1. Next one is C. How many bytes? It contains 4 bytes. So here C, this is the integer type. So C of 1, C of 2. Next cycle here C of 3 and C of 4. Here 2 byte character B default size is 1 byte only. So here the padding start here. This is the empty byte. Next C of 1, C of 2, C of 3, C of 4. So here this is the padding. Structure padding empty byte. See next in same way here 4 byte. For 32 byte here by default it is 4 byte only. For each and every time when aligning the structure member, it will align 4 byte. It will tell the compiler to pack the structure member in the particular given alignment. See this given one is here 2 byte, here 1 byte. So depending upon this it will align it. See now let us see the simple program here. See let us assume this address here. Here if it is start from for example the memory address here, if it starts from 300, the 301 here 302, 304, 306, 308, 309, from 300 to 309 totally it will occupies the byte in this way. See here suppose giving this structure in this way by help of this pragma pack, if you are finding the size here, how many byte will be there accurately, what is the structure member size, up to that size only it will occupy for structure pack of 1. So here for each and every time if we no need the empty memory or padding, then we should use only the pack of 1. So here the structure member is aligned with this alignment 1 byte, then there will be no empty byte. So you count here from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 bytes only it will show. Suppose if you are finding the size of this S here, this 9 byte. Accurate byte this one. What data inside, data type used inside the structure, that data type bytes only it will show. See here the padding start from pack of 2. Here if you are using pack of 2, suppose if you are using character data type, then the padding will, structure padding will occur. See, so here see suppose after using the pack of 2, suppose if you want to find the size of the S here what will be the size? Here see here totally 10 byte, because here one empty byte were there. Suppose we are checking it in the system, here this you will see. So for removing we can say it like this also, for removing the empty byte we can use pack of 1. See now let us see the example here. See, very simple one. Here I created the structure. Here inside the structure totally 3 structure member. First one integer, second one character, and third type also integer data type. See, next here in void main I had created the structure variable. Here structure variable name is t. See, for this test I had created the structure variable t. Now I am telling to print the size of the structure is equal to percentage of d and the size of t. See, already you had seen about this one. What is the size of operator? This used to find the size of the memory, total memory which this structure member occupied. That memory space it will gives the value of that memory space. See, first you do one thing. Without using this pragma pack 1, first you find the size. Without using this one, if you find the result, then the answer will be like this, because this already you know. Here by default it will take for 44 byte for 32 bit processor. Here this one member A integer data type, by default it is 4 byte. Here B, this is character data type, by default 1 byte. Next here, next to this is integer there. So here C, next 4 byte. For each and every cycle it will read 4 byte. See, here we should remove this one, pack 1. Now you check the size. Here the output will be, suppose if you are running here, the output will be like this. Output will be totally, it will take up to 12 bytes. See, after that you remove this command line. Here you include this one, pragma pack 1. Now you run this program. Here the answer will be how much for each and every time. For each and every, it will take, for each and every cycle it will read 1 byte. So for A of 1, 2, 3 and 4. Next for B, for each and every time single byte only. So here it is single byte, so B of 1. Next C, again this is 4 byte, it will read in 4 cycle. Here C of 1, C of 2, C of 3 and C of 4. So there will be no padding here, because single byte it will take. So here what is the size? Suppose after you are including this one, if you are running this program, the answer will be 9 byte. Accurately, depending upon this default size, the memory will be aligned. See, next suppose if you are giving 2, here for each cycle 2 bytes. So here empty byte. Suppose if you are running this program, what will be the answer? Here totally 10 byte, because here 1 byte remaining free byte were there, as it is aligning to 2 byte. Here I am telling to pack of 2, so the alignment will be 2 2 byte. So here the answer will be 10 byte. Bytes. See, suppose if we want to check it, then we can use by help of the address, we can check the location, how the structure member were located. See, already we had seen about that address. It is in unique. For each and every location, the address will be unique. See here, for example, for understanding I am telling, address may be any value. See, let us take here, suppose if it is starting from, let us assume this one 100, for example 100. This address of this location is A of 1 is where it is located in the memory 100. This is 2 2 alignment. So here this one is 101, this one is 102, this one 103. Next this B, it is located at 104. Here this 105 is free, empty space. Next 106, next 107, 108, 109. So see, suppose if I need to print the address, here by program we can print the address. See here, here I am telling to print the printf address of first structure member A. Here percentage U, address of the structure member A is equal to percentage U. Here we are using percentage U because this is address is always unsigned one. There will be no sign for the address, unsigned one. So here we are giving it as percentage U. Next I am telling to print the address. See, for each and every time we are using that ampersand symbol in the scanf function and all. What purpose that ampersand? It refers the address. Here I am telling to print that address of which one, where it is located. It is in structure. What is the structure member? Ampersand of T dot A. See here I am telling to print the structure variable. In the structure variable where that address A is located, that address I am telling to print here. So next here I am closing this one, address of T dot A. Next in same way printf here use /n so that line by line it will print /n. Here also /n. Here let us assume this one 100 to 109. These and all, each and every byte it has the address. See here, let us see the output here. It will print the size of the structure is equal to here. What is the size here? For pack of 2 I am telling. Say the size will be 10. Say for removing the empty byte we should use pack of 1. First let us see the example for this one. Next we will go to pack of 1. Next here I am telling to print the address of A. See here T dot A at the structure variable T at the structure, the location of A address I am telling to print. See always very first address of that variable will be displayed. Here very first address means here this is the A is the variable. For this, what is the first address? 100. So here it will print like this, address of here A is equal to, what is this address? 100. So here 100 will be printed here. Next /n, next line, address of B. What is the address of B? First one, address of B. For the B, first address, which one? This is 104. So here 104 will printed here. Next here printf address of C. Here what is the first address of C? This one, 106. See here, after the 104, this address of B is starting from 104. Next to that address C is where? It is 106. So this 105, because B is the character data type, it is the single byte only it occupied. This byte is empty byte. So here the address start from next to, that is address of C start from where? From 106. See here A is the 4 byte address. So starting address is 100. Next to the data type A is B. So continually the address for the 4 byte, the address will be allocated for A. That is first byte, second byte, third byte and 4 byte. For each and every byte the address unique address. So here character of B, this B address is where? It start from next to A. Next 104 is allocated to B. After that here this is single byte only. So next one it should start from 105 only. Here as it is pack of 2, here this is empty byte. So next this data type it start from 106. So here 106 is aligned. See the same example. Suppose if instead of this here I am using pack of 1. Here for each and every time it will allocate 1 byte. Biggest pack of 1 this one. So here there will be no blank space, memory wastage will not formed here. Up to this okay. See here, listen carefully this one. Now where the C will be started, starting address of the C, it will be at starting address C is at next to this B. Here 1 byte is allocated for C. So next starting address will be here 105. Next this is 4 byte. So see, previously when it is 2 byte, here that is empty byte. This 105 is aligned as empty, but here now as it is pack of 1, it will take single byte, so there is no padding will occur in this pack of 1, pragma pack of 1. So here this 105 is allocated to C. So here the structure member C 105 will be allocated to the first byte of C. So see here, when the output, what is the size of the structure of T? Here now the size of the structure of T is correctly 9. See, integer data type 4, this one single byte for character 4 plus 1 5 plus integer 4 byte 5 plus 4 9 bytes. So it will occupy 9 bytes. Next see here, this is important. Now we are going to see the address of this each and every structure member. Here first one, already I have told you, for each and every structure member the starting address will be displayed. So here what is the starting address of this one? 100. Next one, here the starting address of B is how much? 104. Next here the address of the C is, what is the starting address of C? Here now 105. See, as it is 2 pack of 2, it leaves one free, but here as it is pack of 1, next address will be 105. See, the address of C will be start from next to B, here 105. So here this will be changed. This is the difference between this pack of 1 and pack of 2.